This one's here. Why is it not coming up? Oh wow, these got renovated. Cool. These are the elevators in building 2 at the pyramids on the northwest side of Indy.
Level. Going up.
10. Smells funky in here though.
Floor. Going down.
There was a desk right there, lovely. These got renovated the last time I was here, except we're stopping already. Going down?
Yep, okay.
Going down. First floor.
We have a good one.
What you think?
Going down.
This is going down.
Lower level.
Going up?
Yeah, number 5.
Okay.
Fifth floor.
You have a good one.
You too, brother.
Going up.
I mean, 10 looks like it's single tenant, so a 4,000 pound capacity. There's the certificate. Oh wow, it actually says the contractor. That's kind of rare.
Ninth floor. Going
Oh yeah, that's better. Kind of disappointed the old indicators in the lobby are gone. These had some really cool vintage indicators in the lobby originally. But these buildings got renovated pretty recently, so I guess they got rid of that. So rip to that.
First.
But anyways, here we are at 1.